Have you ever wondered how your picture gets its picture quality? Or how they save it before printing it out? Come with me as we take a look at the term JPEG and see what is it and the many different formats that a picture can take.
The term I am going to define is JPG, also known as JPEG. The term JPEG is the same as JPEG. When a digital image is compressed, this is the format that it is stored in. An explanation or example of this is when taking pictures on your phone. Photos are typically captured and stored on high efficiency. This is when using an iPhone. This can also be found as HEIF. This quality of photo is particularly great when being looked at on other Apple products, but not so much on other products. In order for the picture to not look so grainy, you must change your picture setting to the most compatible, which will compress the photo to a JPG file. Using a JPG file or JPEG over other formats saves space on your devices and will still give you a great looking photo. The photo will look the same as it did when it was taken on the camera.
Another format that pictures will save in is RAW, R-A-W. When taking pictures on a still camera, pictures will save in this format, which basically means it has no edits and is exactly what is seen by the naked eye.
This term is particularly important and interesting to me because in another class I'm in, we have to take photos of subjects, and our last assignment was something I needed to pay attention to because I had to compress my image and I used my iPhone and I saw that the file was relatively large. When looking at JPEG images, it's important to note the file size when sending or putting into a presentation because it will be too large to send. When changing the format manually on a MacBook, you choose the photo you want to change and you will delete the current extension, may it be HEIF or PNG, and then you will add the extension .jpg to it, and the format will then change to a JPEG. Did you know that the term JPEG or JPEG refers to Joint Photographic Expert Group, which is also the name of the committee that created it? The term JPEG was created by the group in 1992.
There you have it, JPEG. When relating to digital media, many editors and websites use the JPEG format because it's able to be viewed on many devices. This makes the JPEG the most compatible digital picture format. Another thing to note is that depending on the software being used, it will save your file as a JPEG or JPEG file. Editing software like Adobe Photoshop will save your image in this file by default. In closing, with all the formats such as PNG, TIFF, HEIF, JPEG still proves to be worth the picture, even with the smaller file size. No picture or color loss during the process of compression.